Solidarity. We are a strong community. Vein of gold and silver. Trade flip trade is what I do. Here in United States we have 14,000 deaths already because the virus. Helping my community is what I have been doing. Sometimes I'm going to the food bank and I get some food and I deliver the food to the people who cannot go outside, to the people who is sick, to the people who is really old. Other times I'm going to the clinic. And I help to separate people who is coming with appointments. Before the check-in point, I ask if they have appointment, if they're going to get a test for the virus, or if they don't have appointment but they think they have the virus. I ask a few questions before let them go to the check-in point. The idea is to separate people and keep the virus under control. And other times I am doing what I am doing today. Today I am delivering some food to the clinic. This food is for the people who is working there or to the people who is helping there. This food is not coming from the food bank. This food is coming from one of the restaurants which closed. They are working just getting tips and things like that. They are not charging the food. Also, I give a big thank you to somebody who doesn't know I have a channel, who doesn't know I give a thank you to him. But I did a thank you to him because he is. So I went there today and I say, well, I don't have any money. I want to talk to this person, and I'm sure he will give some tips to them. I don't know how, but I think somebody else is supporting him, and this is how it works. Everybody supports. Everybody do a small part, and we can run this thing. So my part is driving the car, deliver the food. And the part of somebody else will be make a donation to them, to the restaurant, and the part of somebody else is in the clinic to keep helping people, man. So do your part wherever you can. We can do something. I usually do 1, 2, or 3 voluntary jobs, and normally I do them only 1 day a week, sometimes 2 days a week, like this week. But we need to keep running. We have an amazing community, and our amazing metal community is not just in the metal thing with our people. It's also outside with everybody. Stay safe and stay hacker free. Please make a comment, subscribe, active the bell, and do whatever you can do for your community.